This gives us a graph, a chart, so we know when our low season ends and when our high season begins. So according to this, the low season is kind of starting, somewhere around December, January, February, March, April. And then from April to May, we start having our peak seasons again. So the average of all of these months is where we get our base price. So it's telling me that my base price based on the average should be $40 per room. So I'm going to hit confirm. All right. So $40 per room. But it's now asking me for a minimum value. Now I didn't pay attention to what all of the data said. So I'm going to open it back up. What's my lowest number? It's telling me my lowest number is $33. So the high is 47 and the low is 33. Everybody see what I'm looking at?
Yes.
So I'm not going to use the high number, but I absolutely want to use the low number.